혈이 동지 지켜본다 마지막 찔러져 마지 찔러져 소소 가사 강도 용의 혈이 동지 지켜본다 마지 박이 박사마 파지게 파자도 파지
아사시리 쩌야 공마나야 다시로 그자그 동요 그라게노
나 적살 그나 옷 저기서 그 고지 옷 나마래 그나 잠복랑 그나 소고 옷 나래 야루 옷 다가 신장 창아나래 소고자 익스나 나래 다가 차옷 저기서 티나메 나래 디 하모 나래 다양 자차 나르 자차 렘나 아근 보러고 있는 차옷그 카드다 잠복랑 그 적살 도가 비저그 나래 야 적살 가서 잠복랑 그 최최고 UFC 나래 디난가 그 저랑 녀 비저그 这个罗布上就张德然就合同钱就挖要个，这个那个什么叫我的。
The Tibetan Eagle, Sumudaji.
Today I decided to develop a website about Tibetan martial arts athletes. So far, Enbo is undoubtedly the leading team in the Tibetan martial arts neighborhood. So let's start with the athletes in the Enbo fight. First of all, you need to visit the international website topology. Then type in the search bar Enbo Fight Club. You can check the information of active athletes in order to reduce time and make it easier to get to know the athlete. I started my own development of a simple little website in Tibetan. I started by using Python to crawl athletes' personal information. Its main crawling sport is the time. Let's get to work.
Opponent making her way to the cage, Sonam Zamba.
stop the fight. Touch gloves, and back to your corner.
चलिए करते हैं शुरुआत विमेंस फाइट की, जहां रश्मि का सामना है आज काफी टफ ओपोनेंट से सोनम जोंबा.
I'm always proud to see a women's fight, and this kudos to Aishwarya Shroff and Krishna Shroff for making this happen. A stacked division in women's MMA is so important to an organization to give a chance to a lot of women who are stepping in from individual discipline sports like karate and kickboxing into MMA, and immediately Sonam Zombha starts with that beautiful inside leg kick. Again, 2 on the mark, and you can see the speed difference between the opponents. Rashmi Jain a little tentative. She probably feels the power here. And third leg kick, 3 for 3 with Sonam Zombha.
What Sonam here doing is she's trying to tease Rashmi, and she starts banging.
There's clearly a difference in speed and technique here. Sonam Zombha certainly the more technical striker. Beautiful strike to the body there.
Sonam is an elite striker. If you look at her first ever victory, it was via a vicious 3-punch combo. Let's see if she can replicate that with a head kick onto Rashmi Jain.
Beautiful outside right kick. She needs to stay patient, take her time, break down that front leg kick. Guys, if you've never had a leg kick, if you've never eaten a leg kick, you don't know what it does. It batters the muscles, it batters the entire leg. You start to lose mobility, and after a point, few more leg kicks and body kicks, and you watch Rashmi Jain won't be able to breathe properly. Gas tank will begin to empty and sets up the head shots. Beautiful overhand right by Sonam Zombha, who's looking to close the show, close those combinations so beautifully round.
यहाँ पे रश्मि जैन फाइट में थोड़ी अंडरडॉग हैं, और यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छी स्ट्राइकिंग
Spinning back fist attempt by Sonam here.
So far, Sonam showing excellent striking skills. She's got all the tools in her toolbox, be it spinning elbows, spinning kicks, or inside leg kicks.
No, Rashmi needs to start leading here because she's standing right in front of her opponent. She's standing flat-footed, and this is the perfect situation for a skilled kickboxer like Sonam, because she'll do this all day. She's got 14 minutes. She can keep kicking. She can keep landing shots. She's landing a beautiful 1-2 and finishing off with a left head kick. I wish she'd mastered head kick a little better, because she's shown it to her opponent already 3 times. Couldn't counter with that left kick. And Sonam she's standing in stance. She's not bouncing on the feet. Staying stable. Beautiful combination. Hang on, she might be hurt here. And the fight is over. I think it was a shot to an eye. She might have hurt her eye with that punch. But what a great performance by Sonam Zombha.
Well, how comfortable was that for her? Sonam Zombha had a good 2.5 minutes sparring session there with Rashmi and absolutely nailed the landing.
No, it was just academic from the get-go. You could see the difference in skill. Now Rashmi couldn't get started. The minute she started to eat those leg kicks, those shots there, and overhand right, some of the striking was telegraphed and a little sloppy, but those kicks were on point. The shots to the body, the shots to the leg, and I think that shot was to the eye. It was not a poke. It might have been
따따따 나빠파와 맞아 천자가가 샤샤샤 아야 랄랄라 샤샤 하아크크 샵전 제위 나루 센송 Looking to me sambuta takay kweloni wing jui shuchito yoji sashi somto Josashi no na jinju kanata na wa ma a sala satong jinju jenga tsutsuma senso Sedi jiku chotona warona kabeji yote Eritaji shinazo mojo Warake baki jina motai Sedi jiku chotona warona kabeji yote Eritaji shinazo mojo Warake baki jina motai Ganga cha-cha-cha-chanya Ta-ta-ta napapawa matsa-tsan-ta-gaga Sha-sa-sa aya Ra-la-la sha-sa Ha-a-ku-ku shab-chen-jewi naru sen-song Nga-na-ko-re-yi-ko-chu Chon-na-za-to-chi-pi-me-do So-mi-so-shi-ri-so-jo-ya-ya-yi-ya-yi-ya Se-di-chi-ku-chu-to-na 가사 강도 용의 향이 공기지게 뺀다 마지 파기 박사마 파지게 파파자도 파지
Sure.